The biggest lie beginners think about affiliate marketing is that traffic equals instant money. You spend hours making a YouTube video here, and then you finally get 100 people to click your link, and you then send them straight to a sales page. Then the next day, you wake up expecting some commissions on your account, but your dashboard still says it's $0. Now, here is the reality, right? 99% of people will not buy. They will not buy a product the very first time they see it. They might be busy, right? They might be riding a bus, they might be sitting on a toilet, or they might not trust you yet. Or maybe they just need some time to think about it. If you're sending traffic directly to your affiliate link, that is a sales page of that offer, without capturing their email, then you're throwing away about 90% of your potential income. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the exact automated system, right? Exact automated email sequence that actually builds trust and closes sales for you in the background while you are sleeping. Now, the process starts with a 2-page funnel, which we actually talked about, right? So this is page 1, this is page 2. People opt in here, they go here. This is the bridge page, or you can call it the thank you page. Here you will introduce yourself a little or introduce your offer, probably a video, and there is a button here which takes them to the offer, which makes you money, which makes you commissions, right? But 90% of people who comes here, enters their opt-in rate, will not purchase an offer. Probably maybe 10%, probably maybe just 1% conversion. But this is not the game here. The whole game here is here on the back end. This is where real money is made. That's your email list. That's the data that you collect from all the visitors that come to your page here. So let's talk about these emails really. How do you exactly close that sales and make those commissions for you regularly? So let me make a little space here so that I can talk about it properly. So when you collect the emails in here, right, you send your first email immediately, and the goal of this email, this is email 1 here, right? The goal of this email is not to sell, right? Don't sell. The goal is to deliver, right? The goal is to deliver what exactly you promised on that page here, on this page here. Give them the link they asked for, and you tell them in this email that for the next few days you are going to share your best strategies with them for whatever results they want to achieve. And this don't sell doesn't mean that you will not include your affiliate link in here. You will include it, but you deliver the value, you introduce yourself properly, you set the expectations there properly, and then if they want to check it out, you just give them just at the end of the email, right? This is the email that you wrote, and just the end of the email, PS, maybe a PS link, right? If you want to check out, you can check this link here. So that's a touch point here. So by doing this, you're proving that you are reliable, right? You are not a pushy person just asking them to buy something, just trying to monetize them. So you deliver the first email without being pushy. Now our little value sequence starts after this, right? Now let's talk about email number 2 here. Now this is going to be another pure value based email. For example, you made this mistake when you first started affiliate marketing and what you actually learn from it. Right? So this builds trust. This provides value, first of all. And by sharing your story here, a little story, right, you build trust as well, right? You form some kind of connection. Maybe they don't trust you yet, but you form some kind of connection, a personal connection, like they know you at a personal level. Subconsciously, this builds a connection and that builds trust. Now, at the very bottom of that email, you share your story here, introduce yourself, and then at the very bottom, again, you leave a quiet little link here, right? There will be a quiet little link here that sends them to a small entry level $3, $5, $7 offer. That's it. That's all you need to do for email number 2. Now, what about email number 3? So email number 3 goes out the next day after the email number 2. Now here you will actually share a tip or a strategy that actually helps these people who are opted in here, that actually helps people who are reading your email. So a tip, right? A tip or a strategy that helps them get closer to their goal. And once you do that, once you help them by sharing a strategy, you leave a link at the bottom of that email once again. So basically, in all this email, what you have been doing is that you have been acting as a guide for them and not a high pressure salesperson. So because you're actually helping them, you have great intention, they start looking forward to open your emails, right? They this increases open rate, this increases trust, and ultimately this increases sales as well, right? You still have a touch point of the offer link that you're promoting here, so you can make sales in these first 3 emails. That's great. Now, email number 4 is where you actually go ahead and pitch them that offer. So let's talk about that as well, because this is important that you understand this and use it in your promotions, right? So previous 3 emails, you have established the trust. You have established that you care for them. You actually want to help them. And now it is time to pivot to the sales tactic here, right? On email number 4. In this email number 4, you simply present them the solution. So in this email, you can tell them that I have shown you how this process works. You can absolutely go and try this yourself from scratch. But if you want to save time and plug into a system that is already built, that is primed to make commissions, here is the exact system that I recommend. And then your affiliate link, bam. And this affiliate link will be, right, this affiliate link would be your core affiliate offer, or maybe a done for you high ticket backend. So this approach here, right, this doesn't feel slimy at all. You are not forcing them to do anything. You have earned the right to make a recommendation here, right? You have earned the right to make a recommendation. You're recommending them as a friend, since the trust is now built, relationship is already built. They're looking forward to your further emails. So you have earned the right to make the recommendation, right? And the best part is that these 4 emails are very easy to write, right? And you can use a tool like System. Excuse me. So you can use a tool like System here. For example, you created these 4 emails, right? 4 emails, 5 emails, 7-day emails, whatever that is. I have taken an example of 4-day email here. You can write them all once on a tool called system.io. This is a funnel builder and email marketing software, everything in one, right? So you can build your 2-page system here and your emails, everything on one place for completely free, no charges needed, right? There is no charge here. If you go advanced, like you have to add tags, you have to tag multiple automations, segmentation and everything, segmentation and everything, then you would need to upgrade. But normal email marketing, that's all you need to do, normal automated sequence, and that's for free. And if you have problem writing these emails, you can simply go to ChatGPT. Now, era of AI is here, my friend. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, right? There's so many tools. Free version would suffice. Just give them the prompt. You can even go and actually add this video's link to your ChatGPT or Gemini and just ask it to create emails for your offer, right? But yeah, of course, give it the whole context. Give what offer that you are promoting, tell who the audience is, tell where you are sending traffic from, and ask it to simply draft a 4-day, right? A 4-day, 5-day, 7-day sequence based on the learnings from this video. And once it's done, you can actually tweak it, edit it in your own voice in under like 5 minutes, I guess. It's so easy. You don't need to hire a copywriter anymore to write emails. You don't have to stare at a blank screen anymore thinking what to write. So my message in this video is stop relying on that first click that you get, right? So that means don't send people directly to sales page, a big no-no, and build your invisible salesman, right? This is your invisible salesman right here, everything that I describe in here. Go ahead, deliver real value on your emails and let the emails do the selling for you. Now, if you want to learn affiliate marketing properly and build a real business without any guesswork, then check the link in the description. I will see you in the next video.